In this video, I want to show you how to turn on and turn off your DJI 4K Mini. To turn off the drone when you finish using it, you need to press once on this power button and then press again, keep press on it. So let me just demonstrate what I mean by this. Pressing once and then I keep press on it until this light goes down and only one of them is flashing. To turn on the drone, you simply have to do the same thing. So press once on that button and keep press. Let me do it once and I keep press. And you should hear a small click, all right, and other stuff going on. This is just the drone waking up, and you're going to also see the gimbal moving. This is why before turning it on, I always suggest you remove this cap that is protecting so that the gimbal can initialize itself. With the remote control, it's the same thing actually. So right now it's turned on. To turn it off, I'll press once on the power button and I will keep press until these lights are flashing. If you want to turn off your remote control, let's say you're done, you can disconnect your phone from here. And now tap once on the power button and keep it pressed until you see the lights are going towards the left side. And once they're not lit up anymore, you can lift your finger from the power button. To turn on the remote, press once and keep press until the green lights are all lit up, then you can remove your finger. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment. Check my Amazon links if you want to get some accessories for your 4K Mini, and I will see you in the next video.